Good evening, everybody. Tonight I will be presenting the final sprint, Sprint 3, for the Object-Oriented Term Project. This is the last sprint, and I will begin running the program to demonstrate what all I've implemented thus far. So we'll go ahead and run the program. So right off the bat, I want to initially show the weapons. So when you fire with the B on your keyboard, you will shoot lasers. If you fire with a spacebar, you shoot rockets. Now, those are the two firing mechanisms that you can use on this game. The next, I would like to discuss the enemy types. Now you will see that all these space invaders at the bottom of the screen are lying dormant, and all of the enemies are generated randomly and will come immediately. You don't have to press any buttons in order for them to be spawned. However, the destroying effect for the invaders is actually a bit deceptive. They will lie dormant at the bottom of the screen. They will fall immediately. They're kind of there to act as a deceptive ploy to confuse the gamer. Now, for the UFO and the spaceships, they will move horizontally across the screen rather than falling down the screen, and whenever they are destroyed, you will notice that they fall down. And that's the different effects for each type of enemy. You will also notice that I have implemented designs such as you cannot move out of the screens. You have to stay within it, and the gamer moves a lot smoother than Project 8. So it moves a lot quicker across the screen. You'll notice that the lasers fire much quicker than the rockets do. They fire a lot more rapid. Also, I did keep um, the original bomb type of projectile. I just changed the color, as you can see, but that is a third weapon type, so there's 3 enemy types and 3 weapon types that the user can implement, and you'll notice it's a lot smoother. I changed the background to white so that there's not big boxes around all of my enemies. It just looks a little smoother, and my spaceship does as well. Other than that, that would conclude my project, and thank you for watching.